Welcome to Sheet Director. We're excited to introduce our innovative Google Workspace add-on. Sheet Director helps to manage and control bi-directional data flow between Google Sheets and several other applications. In this video, we will provide a quick overview of all the features available on Sheet Director. Multiple services. With Sheet Director, we can create any number of new services and save them. We can edit the services. Execute it whenever required. Delete the service when it is not required. Multiple authentication support. Sheet Director connects with applications through various authentication mechanisms. Some popular authentication mechanisms that Sheet Director supports are OAuth 1, OAuth 2, and Key Authentication. Comprehensive query features. Query data from the applications and present them in Google Sheets. Enriched bulk posting. Post bulk data from Google Sheets from any application. Scheduler. Schedule a service to run in the background at regular time intervals. This means scheduling the execution process to run configured services automatically on the defined intervals or period of time. Success notifications. Get notified when the service is executed successfully. Error notifications. Get notified when an error occurs. Execution logs. All execution logs will be listed for a better understanding of the execution history. Conditional posting. Post your records to apps with our conditions. Destination setup. Configure the destination file to save the executed data. Clone services. We can easily clone the created service. Synchronize services. Synchronized service refers to keeping data across multiple systems consistently. In Sheet Director, synchronized service refers to keeping data consistent between Google Sheets and other applications. Experience the powerful features of Sheet Director. Visit our website to discover its full capabilities. Thank you for watching this video.